Hello, I'm Design Guy. Ready to make text and shapes look glossy and modern using Canva's easy tools? Click Create, select Custom Size, enter dimensions, then go to Elements to continue. Select an image, then resize it here to make it bigger. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate the image, then apply a blur effect to the duplicate layer. Click Edit, choose Blur in Tools, select Whole Image, then increase the intensity. Set the zoom to 80%, then click Crop and resize the image to make it smaller. Click Done, then set the corners to 20. Next, add a stroke style to complete the design. Click once here, then go to Show Color and select Region, choosing Present. Select the color, add a white region, then change the white and black areas. Finally, adjust this color to gray. Now our glass effect is applied and visible here. Click Share, then select Download to add the glass effect. Adjust the size and quality before clicking the Download button. Now you know how to create a sleek glass effect in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips.